How to delete a contact on Viber. In this video, I'll show you how to delete a contact on Viber quickly and easily, whether it's a number you no longer need or a chat you want to clean up. I've got you covered. So let's get started by opening the Viber app on your phone. Once you're inside the Viber app and you are on your home screen, you have to click on the call icon at the bottom of your screen. Now from there, you need to find the contact. Scroll or search to find the contact you want to delete. Once you have found the contact, long press on the name. A pop-up icon will appear on your screen with various of menu. There you'll see delete. Tap on it. Viber will ask you to confirm. Tap delete again to remove the contact from your list. And that's it. That's how you delete a contact on Viber. Quick, simple, and a great way to keep your contact list clean. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit on that like and subscribe button. Also hit on the notification bell icon so that you won't miss any of our upcoming videos. That's all for today, and I'll see you in the next video.